Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the clock bigger on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26. First of all, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version, that is iOS 26. After that, simply swipe down from the left hand side of your lock screen to open your notification screen. Then tap and hold anywhere on the lock screen. After that, tap on Customize from the bottom center. Now, just focus on the clock widget. You should see a small handle at the bottom right side of the clock. Simply tap and drag it to adjust the size of your clock to your liking. And once you're happy with the size, simply tap on Done at the top right corner. And just like that, your lock screen clock will be updated instantly. It's really simple, and now your lock screen clock is bigger, clearer and easier to see at a glance. And that's all. That's how you can make the clock bigger on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.